This is for the burnt out girlies who are ready to reclaim their peace. Hey, Queen, welcome back. I am here and I help millennial women organize their lives and their wellness so that they can enjoy their well nourished era. Today's topic is all about why you need a planner, girl, or queen, or they, or them, whatever you want to be. You need a planner, and here's why. Planners are a cure to chaos. And let me tell you, as an entrepreneur, a overthinker, recovered perfectionist, I realized in my decade and some of being an entrepreneur and all of my business ideas, I'm an event planner, I've done hair, I sold life insurance. What caused me to be where I am now is the chaos that was in my mind that I never organized. So if I can help you and anyone watching this video save time to reach their goals, I'm here to tell you that a planner is going to cure the chaos that's in your head. Because when we just throw all our thoughts up there, it's kind of like a mind tornado of thoughts, but you can't execute in chaos. Okay? So number one is why you need a planner is it cures the mental chaos. Number two, the reason you need a planner is it saves time. Have you ever done something that's been on your mental to-do list and when you finally do it, you go, that took me faster to do it than the time I spent thinking about doing it, right? So you're going to save yourself time because you know what to do. You have your plan written down, you know where to look, and when you write it down, you get it out of your head, and that just moves it a little bit closer to actually happening. Because if we only keep our plans in our head, that's when they're only dreams. But when you write them down, it becomes a plan. Okay, so save yourself time. I know you're already busy, so with just a little bit of preparation with a planner, you can save even more time and have more time to nourish yourself. Final tip, Queen, it is going to relieve mental stress. So, our brains are quite like sponges. And at some point, the sponge just doesn't hold on anymore because it hasn't been squeezed out. It's constantly intaking, but there's no outtake, right? Well, the planner is the place for you to receive or to relieve your mental stress because it doesn't have to worry about remembering everything. Don't you know that feeling when you're like, oh, I know that there's an appointment this week. I don't know what it is. Is it for the kids? Is it for me? Is it for the car? I don't know. But that's going to help you um, relieve that mental stress because you know that you don't have to worry about remembering because you already wrote it down. So if you have not got a planner by now, or at least committed to it, let me help you. I made the most beautiful Divine Fresh Start planner that's going to help you plan out your next 90 days. Bonus, it can plan out your forever because it is a reusable planner, has a beautiful, feminine, refreshing energy that will that will teach you not only how to manufacture your goals into reality, but it is just so cute. You'll feel good using it. And like in the video, you'll relieve mental stress, you'll save time, and you will cure your mental chaos. Make sure you follow to stay up to date with our 90-day Well Nourished Era series.